Good morning and happy Monday. I hope everyone is doing well. Just wanted to do a quick little overview of what we have going on this week. We are going to be working out of Module 2 and 3 this week. Wednesday, for my face-to-face students, I will meet in class and kind of do a summary of our Piaget dating assignment and his theory. And then I'm also going to do some comparing of his theory to Vygotsky and to the information processing theory. Also, I'm going to spend a little time going over the professional article review assignment. That is what is due this Sunday night. So for my online folks, you can watch the Zoom that I record on Wednesday, or you may get everything you need right here. I give you a couple of links that you can go and try to find an article. Basically, you are looking for an article that you're interested in about development. If you're not an education major, you might think of some things that might interest you as a parent of an educator, or just something about schooling and learning. Maybe it's something like having recess in school and what's the importance of that, or what about school lunches and the obesity crisis in Arkansas, since we rank pretty high up there, or about corporal punishment, or discipline in the classroom, or working with parents. But you're going to choose your article. The Educational Leadership is a great place here. This is a database that you should be able to always access for free. You can also go to the UCA library and look at professional articles there. All I ask is that it doesn't have to be a research study, but it needs to be something that has references, that's based on research. And then once you choose your article, you can look at the directions here for submitting it and the rubric to get the total points. The instructions are very clear, and what I will be looking at, this will give you like the format that you're going to write about the article. It's about what you have learned, what reinforced your understanding, what made you rethink some things, and then also how you could apply this in the educational classroom and future teaching experiences. So the rubric is based, be sure on this professional language part that you always do a spell gram check on everything that you turn in, double space professional writings, and also at the end of the article you should have bibliographic information. The article should be recent, within the last 5 to 7 years, so that it's not old research, and then write your bibliographical information in APA format. And then again, the different components of the content of the article with 10 points for each of those. This is an assignment that's worth 50 points. One thing I also gave you is the website from Purdue University, and it's called the OWL, and it is a great resource for APA, which is what papers are used in education. So you can go here and it'll show you how to cite your paper. So this is a pretty big assignment. This is as much as one exam. So I do want you to spend some time this week on writing this assignment. And then again in class, I will be doing a lecture comparing Piaget, Vygotsky, and information processing. For those of you that are online, you can also get that information under these readings. So just make sure that you go into the readings and go into the slideshow on Piaget. Make sure you go into the information processing material and also the material on Vygotsky. When you do get ready to take your midterm exam, if you have not read this material and thought about the application of this material, it will show up in how you do on the exam. Okay, so that is an overview of this week, and I hope you all have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Shoot me an email. Thanks.